Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Patel. Mrs. Petersley asked me to tell you guys about a class that I teach. It's called Pre-FIEX, also called College and Career Readiness class. So Pre-FIEX is a class that comes before FIEX, and FIEX stands for First Year College Experience class. It's a class that's co-taught by Mrs. Bedke, an ALC teacher, and an RCTC college professor, and it helps you feel more ready for college. And I want to stress that when we say college, we mean any type of further education training after high school, and that includes trade schools and the vocational schools like cosmetology school as well. The reason we created Pre-FIEX is we didn't have a lot of takers at the ALC who had really thought about what they wanted to do after high school or really believed that college was for them. So I want to tell you a little bit about what we do in this class. So first quarter, we follow a curriculum modeled after Road Trip Nation. It's a TV show where kids go on an RV road trip across the country and talk to people who are doing the things that they want to be doing, that they're happy in the careers that they have, and they try to find out how they got there. We don't go on an actual road trip, but we do something similar in our class. We talk to the same kinds of people through Skype. I bring them into our classroom to speak with us, and you'll also have an opportunity to do a job shadow where you select your own person who's doing a job that you like and go visit them at their job site. These are the kinds of questions we ask them. Things like, where were you at our age? Were you ever lost? Were there pressures telling you to be or do something else? What helped you to achieve the success, and what advice do you have for kids our age? And we learn from other people's journeys. During the first quarter, we also work a lot on ourselves. We talk about fixed versus growth mindset. We talk about the noise in our life, voices around us who say we can't do something or we'll never make it or something's never been done, so it's not even worth trying. We talk about emotional intelligence and work on understanding our emotions and managing them. We also talk about how to deal with failure. We end that first quarter with some career exploration. We do some career interest inventories to learn about our strengths and interests. You'll also get a chance to choose somebody, again, who's doing the kind of work that you're interested in and talk a little bit about that job with them by email or by phone. The second quarter, we continue to work on ourselves. We take some personality tests. We talk about multiple intelligences to discover our strengths. We talk about time management, stress management, setting goals for ourselves. And we also talk about something called thought distortions. We have about 60,000 thoughts a day. A lot of those can be negative. So we work on identifying thought mistakes and how to replace them with more helpful thinking. We also talk about how to actually achieve our career goals, what education training will be needed, and we explore that. And we end the quarter with the semester with a final project called a vision board. We look at different areas of our life, including family, travel, education, career, and you kind of map out a vision for yourself. The end goal of this class is to really believe in the idea that you have control over your life, you have control over the direction that it takes. So if you're interested in a class that really helps you to reflect on who you are and who you want to be, consider signing up for this Pre-FIEX or this College and Career Readiness class. It's for sophomores, juniors, and seniors, and you do get 8.5 elective credit. Thank you.